Good morning, travelers. We are headed to Mackinac Island today. Oh my goodness, you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone's hungry right before we leave. That's how it is with kids. But we're not too sure what we're gonna be doing there. We do know that Fudge is a thing there, and we're gonna meet up with the snow dogs there, so that'll be exciting as well. All right, so the plan today is to go to Walmart because we need to get some breakfast stuff and we need to get a stroller. And then we're going down to the island. I think we're gonna get some fudge and we're gonna see what else there is to do there. Need something that folds up. $115.69. Let's go! And no money in the arcade. Hello.
Are you staying overnight or just for the day?
Just for the day.
Okay.
Good, thank you.
Yep, have a good day.
You too.
All right, guys.
We're here, let's go get on a boat. So we're deciding to take the Starline Ferry because the Shepler's ferry, the parking is all the way across the way and you gotta take a shuttle back. And whenever we come back, we have a feeling that Beckett's gonna be super tired and we're not gonna wanna have to take a shuttle along with that. So this one is just right across the street, so we just have to park. You can also pay 20 bucks to park in the closer lot. We're not paying 20 bucks just for that.
It's going to be 100 each.
Alrighty. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Alright, tickets were $100 even. Beckett was free.
Hi.
Show her the tickets, bud.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great time.
You too. There's a pirate ship that you can ride if you want to pay more. It's called the Good Fortune. Are you ready to get on that boat?
Yeah. It goes away and then it comes back.
That's right. It's called docking. You remember riding a ferry in New Orleans?
Yeah.
Got my kids on a ferry, kids on a ferry.
Ah!
Is this gonna be fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ever been on a boat before? I don't know if y'all have or not.
Alrighty. Let's find a seat. Right here. You excited, Beckett? Yeah.
I'm excited.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you most excited about?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm just excited.
Here we go. You so excited?
It's moving backwards.
It is. Yeah, right?
It's faster than I expected it to be.
You want to go into the bridge? Whee! That's so cool. All right, we're on the island. How's she feeling?
She's feeling much better. She's terrified of the horses.
Oh. Hey, Eleanor. Hi. This is St. Anne's Catholic Church. What do you want to pray for?
I don't know.
Say, I want to pray for Mimi,
Pray for me.
that she's healthy and strong.
Pray for Graham. And pray for Graham.
That they are both healthy and strong.
Both happy and Amen.
Okay, let's go down.
Why are we now?
Go down. You can't go up there because it has a rope. And we found a park. We have picnic in the lunch bag. So we're gonna go eat.
They're in the now. Oh.
That's you. I want to find Arch Rock. And I'm pretty sure this trail is the fastest way there. So we're gonna climb. Because it's an island. Remember the arches from last year? Hello. Doing good. Wow. Is that cool? We found our truck. If I had to guess, it's up that way. Oh my gosh, look who it is! You remember us? Oh, that's the picture spot. Wow.
Pretty beautiful.
Yep. So we're on Sugarloaf Road now, and it's supposed to look out to some other kind of lookout. And then there's a park for the kids at the end of this. And then there's Fudge. We still need our Fudge. There's a big rock. Ta-da!
It sure has a name.
Sugarloaf Rock.
Yeah, there's a trail.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little trail that goes around.
Look, it comes out right now.
I'm gonna go around real quick. So this is Sugarloaf Rock. And you can't climb on the rock, but you can climb around the rock. I don't know if this is the best thing to do in Birkenstocks, but we're gonna try. Oh, it's steep. Ugh, it's big. Just to say you touched it, right? That thing is big. All right, going down. Oh boy, oh boy. This is not an easy climb down. There we go. All right, now that we did that, we're climbing up more steps, and that should lead to Turtle Park, Great Turtle Park, and we think they have a playground there.
That's the one that we just rode on.
Nope, these are more new steps. You get to climb them. Are you so excited? Okay, let's go. Keep going. You're almost there. You can do it. I believe in you. Good job. Step, step, step. Oh yeah. Now you got it. You did it. You made it.
I made it to the
Hip,
park.
hip, hooray.
I made it to the park.
You did. Well, you made it to the top. Fudge and ice cream. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Fudge on top.
Oh, that's at Sugarloaf Rock. That's cool.
We're going
Run! Found the cemetery. Just can't wait to get on the dirt again. It's what you wanted, a playground. Go, go, go.
I'm walking.
Okay. Go, 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 go. You can do it. All the way. Look at you. You're so strong. You are strong. Almost. I got you. Y'all need a Beckett kiss today. Look, Mama's got the stroller ready. Go get it. Go inside. We're going down to the Grand Hotel, which is like the big fancy hotel here. And they have the world's longest covered patio.
Do they have the world's largest ice cream and fudge?
I think they do have some.
Okay.
Let's go. You want some ice cream?
Fudge.
Fudge? All right.
And ice cream. Both.
Both?
Give
What
me
if you had
them.
like fudge with ice cream on top?
No, how about we had ice cream and then we put the fudge in the ice cream?
Ooh.
Looks delicious.
What do you think, Amelia?
It's a good idea.
All right, let's go. Ice cream, run, run. Ice cream, ice cream. Little ice cream parlor right here on the side called Sadie's. Go and get the good stuff. Are they closed? Playing Candyland in real life. It's gonna be so yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, you have to hold the cone and you lick it.
We will.
Yeah.
We're gonna put some in the cone just for you. Does that sound like a plan? Okay, I gotta pay for it too.
That's a lot of ice cream.
Yeah. Does it look yummy?
Mm-hmm. It is. Oh god.
Hi.
For singles, $25.44.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Is that good? What'd you end up getting?
It's like a chocolate with Michigan cherries and a
Ah.
little bit of coffee flavor, but it's not strong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because it's someone tired by yours.
Mm.
Try it.
It's like the chocolate covered strawberry.
Cherry.
Cherry, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that worth that long walk? Was that yummy, Beckett? You like it? That's the longest covered patio in the world. Jess told us it costs $10 to go inside. We're not gonna pay him that much to go inside a hotel. I don't know where we're going.
Mama, we're going to a Fudge shop.
Stop at the fudge shop on our way out.
And we're back to the Disney World area. So where's the place to get fudge around here?
Murdock's Fudge is the original fudge shop on the island.
Murdock's, okay. There it is. Murdock's Fudge and peanut brittle. There's too many people trying to get around. Oh, wow. Wow. You got it? Good. Yeah, I'll take some, yeah. Thank you. All right. You like that? Is that yummy? Yeah. All right, let's go. It is 4:27. Boat leaves in 3 minutes. Think we can make it?
Yeah.
Let's see. If not, we'll be waiting another 30 minutes about. Hello, got time? All right, thank you. We did it. Look, right there, there's Mama.
We're at a new one.
This is a new boat. Good day? Good day.
It's a good day.
Y'all had fun?
Chocolate all over your
Yeah,
face.
good. Do you like being on the boat, Beckett? Yeah, it's so fun. The fudge that we got was $11.48. Got a good sized brick in here too. It's big. Made it across the ferry.
I didn't even die,
You didn't, not at all.
but I felt like I was going to many times. I'm probably the biggest chicken on that entire ferry both ways.
So you ready to go ride it again tomorrow?
Nope. Do something in town tomorrow. Go to the lighthouse, go to the fort,
The beach.
all the things Beckett wanted to do.
And then
Go to
we'll
the
ride a
beach?
boat.
No.
Beckett, do you want to ride a boat?
Yeah.
Oh, Beckett wants to ride the boat.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. There's no way I'm doing that pictured rock tour.
Oh, really?
Lane.
Oh. Beckett. Wake up. Beckett.
He hates this.
Beckett. It's time to get up. Beckett.
What if I take one? What if I take
No,
one?
he's not gonna like that. Hey, who wants to go eat fudge?
Becky, you want fudge?
Not working today, Mom. You wore me out.
I just need to sleep.
All right, we made it back to the Airbnb. We're gonna do some burgers tonight, but before we do that, we gotta taste the fudge that we got.
You get a free
You
knife.
get a free knife with a $10 thing of fudge.
$12. I'll cut it in half. This is mine.
And the other half is mine.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. This is what happens when children are on electronics.
And they're playing games.
We didn't even know. Dad and I said we're just gonna split it between the two of us, and nobody even noticed. All right, I'm gonna cut it in the middle so that we all get caramel. You gotta hurry, bud.
Delicious. Yeah. You want some fudge? Beckett. It's fudge time. You want fudge? Ow. That's some good fudge. Do you concur? There's fudge? He just rolled off. Are your eyes open? Yummy. That's a good way to wake up, huh? Oh boy, those were good. Click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us.